My friends, hello everyone. So today I am Vidans Zebra again with you all. Subscribe to my channel at YouTube Vidans Zebra. Do subscribe my channel, like, share, and subscribe. So today I am going to take a quiz of coronavirus facts quiz. Test your pandemic knowledge. You all should also take this quiz. This quiz can be found in Proforbs quiz. This one. I will tell you the website. So let's start coronavirus facts quiz test your pandemic knowledge. This quiz contains 10 questions, total attempts 76,850. Okay, let's start. So this is a brief type of taking of your knowledge on how you know about coronavirus, the present pandemic. So let's start. Total questions are 10. First question, the coronavirus has originated from which country? So probably it is China, as we all know that China is the country from which the coronavirus has started spread, but the area is Wuhan. So Wuhan, China will be the correct answer. What are the best ways to guard yourself against the virus? So, first option is eating more vegetables. It can't be, because eating more vegetables is an internal way to protect yourself. And by eating your vegetables, you can't save yourself from coronavirus, because you have to also take medicines consulted by the doctor, and also take some of the requirements that are necessary to save. Taking antibiotics, this is also internal way. Consulting a doctor when you are having any fever or disease, but at regular basis you should cover the nose and mouth with a face mask or a piece of cloth. So second option is correct. Should people avoid all goods and products from China? No, the virus can't spread, because all goods can't contain coronavirus, because if a certain amount of people or a single person is having a coronavirus and he or she is touching the goods, then that goods can have some particles of coronavirus, so probably it can't be. What precaution you can take to protect yourself from the virus? What are the options? Avoid traveling or crowd, true. Maintaining health and hygiene, it's true. Using sanitizer or soap regularly, true. All of the above. Because it is a very important question, so I am repeating in translating it in Hindi. क्या क्या हमें लेना चाहिए प्रिकॉशंस, जिससे हम अपने आप को वायरस से सुरक्षित कर सकें? तो पहला है कि अवॉइड ट्रैवलिंग, मतलब बाहर ना जाना चाहिए, और ज़्यादा मतलब भीड़ में नहीं जमा होना चाहिए। हमें अपनी स्वास्थ्य की ध्यान रखना चाहिए, और हमें सैनिटाइज़र और साबुन की इस्तेमाल हर रोज़ करनी चाहिए। और चौथा ऑप्शन है, ये सब हमें कोरोना वायरस से बचा सकता है। तो ये ऑल ऑफ द अबव, मतलब सभी होगा। नेक्स्ट, नेम द यूनिवर्सिटी दैट इज़ गोइंग टू डेवलप ए वैक्सीन। ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी इज़ preparing the vaccine in present, but I think the three of them, but I am having a doubt. So all of the above I also take. Yeah, it is correct. China outposts of British and US universities will remain shut down till 1st May 2020. It is false, as the period of lockdown, this shutdown means only lockdown, is very much larger than 1 May 2020. So false. Next, are face masks are highly effective in protecting you from the coronavirus? No, false. It is showing effective means it can cause harm to you while wearing, but it doesn't. It is very useful to you in wearing, so it will be false. Battery power is 15%. Social distancing can help prevent coronavirus. Yes, probably true. It is one of the safety measures. Next, which state has seen the highest number of coronavirus cases? It's a type of important question, but it seems easy to me as New York is the correct answer. In recent days, we are watching the news and we can hear that New York is one of the highest number of cases that the state is locating. So New York, correct. Quarantining yourself can help to reduce coronavirus. Yes, you should take your care first, then your family, then of whole the community. So I have scored 100 out of 100. Let me write my name, master. I always add master, but I am not a master like teacher. I am just a student. Let's download the certificate. And guys, do take this quiz because it takes about how much you know. It just questions about how much you know about coronavirus. It freshens up your mind and it is very good for your all's mind. So thank you, and do subscribe, like, share and subscribe my channel.